One of the most human-friendly bee species, other than stingless bees, is Apis cerana. In Kannada, it is called Tudve. It generally lives in burrows and lives in tree trunks where there is a little bit of a dark space. Okay, if you all want to make those bees to live with us, we need to create something very similar to where bees can relish staying with us. Okay, with humans. For that purpose, bee box is a very critical instrument. Okay, a bee box has lot of aspects in that. Bee box generally can be categorized like this. So this is the top. Okay, where it gives protection for a beehive from rain, water, sunshine, or whatever you think. Top has got 3 holes. You can see inside there is a mesh. This basically keeps the entire hive very warm and also temperature control to provide little bit of a ventilation. Okay, you have this, it sits on the either on top of a queen chamber or a honey chamber. So this is a composition of a honey chamber. So honey chamber has got frames. You can see these are the frames. In between this bees will uh, build the honey combs. Honeycombs also can be supported by a little bit of a wax, but it's technically not required. And generally, if you go by ISI standard, this should have 8 frames. But what we have done is we have designed 6 frames. Okay, just for easy handling, easy management, etc. This is uniquely designed by Akshakalpa. Now you can see here it has got 6 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames. This is called a queen excluder. For example, you want to keep the queen not coming to the honey chamber, so you can keep this. Beehives can keep moving between these 2 chambers. So this is very simple where it enables bees to move. And this is a very important component of a beehive. It is called a queen chamber. In this queen chamber, you will have frames as well, like how in the honeycomb, but they are bigger frames. You can see these frames are a little bit bigger. And these frames have a unique design. You can see here when they sit here, so that bees can easily move, they don't get crushed, and they are happy moving around. And in this one, where the queen lays eggs, on the top you will see little bit of a honey also. So that's the reason this frame is very important. The space for laying eggs and also storing honey for let me be summer when there are no honey available. Whatever pollen honeybees carry, they can be captured. This is called a pollen trap. So when a bee is entered from there, they go through a pollen trap and the entire pollen gets trapped here and falls into this pollen trap in the bottom like this. Okay, you can see this is called a queen gate. We can put this one like this and control the bee movement happening to the colony. You can control them. And also, of course, you have got a base, and also it is slightly slanted. I don't know, you get to notice this. This is slightly slanted towards this. This is exact setup. We will do it for any urban beekeeper in Bangalore. And explaining again, this is the bottom. This is the pollen trap. This is the queen chamber. This is the honey chamber, and this is the top. Okay. When generally sometimes bees can be aggressive. For that purpose, we need to have a bee veil. This is bee veil. So bee veil is very easy to install on your head. You can also need to have some gloves. Sometimes they can also disturb your hand. Okay, maybe bite your hand. Sometimes when you want to handle bees, you also need to have some equipments. This is called a smoker. This smoker is very simple device. The smoker's job is to generate smoke. You can put little bit of a leaves inside. You can see here we have put Tengin naru. When you open a bee box, sometimes when you see bee box, bees are a little bit aggressive. You can smoke, and they will become a little bit calmer. Okay, and also for handling beehive, sometimes you need a bee brush. You can see I showed the frames. Sometimes they need to be brushed. This is the bee brush. This is a gripper. So gripper is required to lift some of the frames. Okay, this is one part, and this is a scraper, and of course you need a couple of knives. These are the fundamentals we need, okay, for a beekeeping to get started, fundamentals of beehive.